क्लोजर, ऐसे मैंने बहुत सिडक्टिव वे में बोल दिया क्या? Hello my gorgeous souls, I am makeup artist Titli Mukherjee and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today I am barefaced and have nothing on my face. Usually I come with a full face of makeup on and generally वो मेकअप काफ़ी हैवी होता है because I like doing heavy and super ultra glamorous looks and creative looks also. But today here I am with the most requested video ever on my channel and it's my skincare routine, obviously, because you guys know I roast so many of the फेमस स्किन केयर ब्रांड्स एंड उसकी वजह से बहुत जनों को लगता है कि मैं खुद क्या यूज़ करती हूँ. इफ़ आई एम हेडिंग ऑन सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सो मेनी बिगर कंपनीज देन व्हाट डू आई एक्चुअली यूज़ ऑन माई सेल्फ. एंड टुडे आई एम हियर टू शेयर जस्ट दैट. सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज़ कीप वॉचिंग and if you are new here please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it. Also press the bell button right next to the subscribe button so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And obviously this will be a morning skincare routine and the night skincare routine will be coming soon. I'll be filming it now only probably and it will go up soon within a week or so. If you guys don't want to miss that then don't forget to press the bell button and the subscribe button. Very big disclaimer that my skin is not perfect from any angle. I will bring you guys closer because I am not one of those bloggers के पूरा full face makeup करके skin care routine करने आएंगे. That's not me. So I want to give you the actual look and ताकि आप अपने लिए decide कर सको कि मेरा skin कैसा है. I will just show you guys कि मेरा perfect skin बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. I have my pigmentations. मेरे को भी acnes होते हैं, pimples आते हैं and उसके भद्दे दाग भी छोड़ के जाते हैं. But it's okay. It's your skin. It will heal and उसको लेके इतना tension लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Pimple marks and the pimples doesn't define us. And बहुत अभी ज्ञान हो गया. Now it's time to get closer. Closer. ऐसे मैंने बहुत seductive way में बोल दिया क्या? So my morning skincare routine is actually very simple and there are only 4 or 5 products that I use in the morning. So let's start by telling my first step and which is just splashing water on my face and that's cold water. I don't use hot water. So the first number one trick and my secret probably is that I don't use tap water. Yes, I don't use tap water. I use filtered water and if you can hear my okay अब चुप हो गया अभी मैं बोलने लगूंगी फिर से वो चालू करेगा. Anyways, that was my dog Gracie and that's why I don't like filming in the morning or in the evening because she's awake. So yeah, as I was saying, so I use only filtered water and I think that has helped my skin a lot. So I will ask you guys to do the same. Don't use tap water and especially because that's hard water. As I told you guys in my skincare mistakes video, if you have not seen it yet, please go and check it out. And उसमें मैंने आप लोगों को clearly बोला था कि I don't use face wash in the morning and I use it only at night because morning में we only sleep, right? तो उसमें इतना कुछ dirt नहीं हो जाता है कि मुझे फिर से face wash करने की ज़रूरत पड़े. And face wash आप जितना करोगे it will dry out your skin because ultimately वो एक soap ही है. हाँ, एक milder soap है but it is obviously a soap. Also because I am from the dry skin family but अभी फिलहाल in summers I am quite normal and उतना dry नहीं हो रहा है but in winters I am Sahara dry. So तभी भी मैं एक ही बार करती हूँ and therefore I will not show my face wash in this video. I'll show it to you guys in my later video, my night time skincare routine video. So after splashing cold water I directly go in with my toner and this is the toner I use. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Toner, gentle toner to prepare, hydrate and comfort skins for all skin types. So actually मैं जो भी आप लोगों को आज दिखाने वाली हूँ, if you guys are from normal to dry to very dry, you guys can definitely use it. But I don't know कि अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा oily हो तो whether this products will suit you or not because generally these are all for the combination to normal to dry skin, right? So this particular product says it's for all skin types and I quite love this. I have bought this in one of my Nykaa hauls. I don't remember which one. मैंने बहुत सारे Nykaa hauls किए हैं. So if you guys have not seen, please go check it out again. And ये करीब 1700 का था, करीब नहीं 1700 का ही था. And this is the product I use directly after splashing water on my face. For toners, there is another mistake that we need to use cotton and soak the cotton ball with toners and that is not how you should apply it and you are ultimately wasting more product than you are actually putting on your skin. So therefore I will never prefer that. I directly poured the toner into my hands and this is the amount I took. I hope you can see. Yeah, so this is the amount I took and I will just tap it onto my skin like this. And I will also pat it on my neck because neck is obviously very important. And did you guys know कि हमारा neck सबसे पहले age करने लगता है even before our face? Did you know? अगर नहीं पता तो अभी पता कर लो, and always apply your skincare onto your neck. So this is how you are supposed to pat the toner onto your skin and not rub it like this, because उससे कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं होता है. You have to tap it gently and ultimately it's your skin. Please remember to be extra gentle with your skin and especially your face skin, because अगर आप ऐसे ऐसे करके rub करोगे तो it will drag down your face and वो premature aging signs आपको दिखाने लग जाएगा. And also another point that हम लोग एक के बाद एक step में जाएंगे तो we will not do एक के बाद, because if the first layer doesn't get soaked into our skin then वो second layer भी soak नहीं होगा एंड अल्टीमेटली कोई फायदा नहीं होगा आपका 3-4 प्रोडक्ट्स लगाने का. सो ऑलवेज वेट बिटवीन स्टेप्स. Then I'll be going with my second layer and I'll be using this Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. I recently bought this. This is the amount I will take and again pat it onto my skin like this. So this product is supposed to give you clear looking skin and that radiant skin. So my next step is a moisturizer, and for moisturizer I use the CeraVe moisturizing cream for dry to very dry skin. This tub is a huge one, like I'll just show you guys. See, the amount is huge and ये मैंने एक Instagram store से लिया था and it costed me 2500 and इसमें जो ingredients है those are really really nice. So if you guys are from normal to dry to very dry skin, you can definitely use this, and it's actually not very oily, so therefore I am recommending it to everyone except for very oily skin people. So I will take a generous amount of it like so and massage it between my fingers and then apply it on my face and also my neck, and always go in upward direction, never in downward direction. Then my next step is a lip balm, obviously, because we are continuously using lipsticks and trying ones, that too, because I love a matte lipstick. So मुझे तो बहुत ही ज़रूरत पड़ती है moisturization की, and I am using this N Closet का Pucker Lips, and to be honest guys, I have found my perfect lip balm and I have used the Laneige one. I have recommended it to you guys before in the past, but I think this one is far better than the Laneige one. So you guys can definitely give this a chance, and it is also I think 200-300 rupees lesser than the Laneige one. I will generously apply it all over my lips, and the best part is it is like Laneige does not have any color, but this gives you a hint of color, so it looks very natural and very pretty, and बहुत ही ज़्यादा dark color नहीं आता. Gives you that nice flush of color which looks very very cute. Am I looking cute enough? So that was my morning skincare routine, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Tata, bye bye. रुको. What? You guys didn't stop me. How can you do this? Don't you guys know that we are supposed to use the most important thing, because वो हमने use नहीं किया, then this things doesn't matter, and that's a sunscreen. Yes guys, I know I was too dramatic, I know it, but मुझे ये थोड़ा emphasize करना था कि how important it is to apply sunscreen every day, every morning and every 2-3 hours a day. So I'll be taking quite a generous pump of this and slather it all over my face. This is the Neutrogena sunblock and it has SPF 50 plus and PA triple plus. So PA triple plus is very important. अगर आप SPF 50 plus भी नहीं ले रहे हैं, अगर आप 30 भी ले रहे हैं, that is also fine. But then PA triple plus आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा, because this is the main part. And please, I know I've said 10,000 times please, but please अपना SPF लगाओ and अपने skin को खुश रहने दो. With that, finally I finished my today's video, and this time yes, it's final. And abhi iske upar I'll be applying makeup and I'll be doing a tutorial. So if you guys want to know that, please go follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Titli Mukherjee1, and वहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे transformations मिलेंगे, मेरे behind the scenes मिलेंगे, and also makeup tutorials. So please go follow me there, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. I love you and bye.